Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I am doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having multiple news, like multiple high impact news into the market. That is at 1 p.m., 7:15 p.m., and 10:05 p.m. Indian Standard Time, of course. So be cautious at these timings. Now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and I had been explaining the same thing over and over that the price had reacted from this FVG, and now I'm anticipating a bearish move into the market. Let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that the price closed below the previous swing high. So we are within this candle's range. Let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we were having was this FVG, and the price sprung up from this particular candle's like order block, and we are within this BPR range. So we are trapped in between two ranges right now because it will be an invalidation zone. If this breaks, then I'll be having the confirmation that the price is bearish now and going to take all of these liquidities right sitting right here. And if not, then most likely this high will be a vulnerable high before the price takes this wick, unmitigated wick. So this is what my current uh, analysis about the chart, because we are still stuck in the range and nothing is much clear. Let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that it is kind of a similar scenario where the price is not having any clear bias. We respected this FVG, moved into the downward side, uh, making this a strong high, though we were not able to break the invalidation zone. So this overall structure can turn into either way, like bullish or bearish. So currently the situation is as such that I'm not going to trade in today's market unless and until going to have a clear bias. What we can do is we can trade the session liquidity in such situation. Adding on to that, we are having this BPR of 2 hours, which the price seems to be respecting right now, and we are having this 4-hour FVG. So we can come down to this range, and then possibly invalidation of this level will also be one of the uh, clarity to me where the price is going to move a little higher towards the ultimate POI the price had left, that is 50% of this wick, or most likely unmitigated part within this wick's range, like here somewhere. But still, the price is still not having any clarity now, so I'm not trading today. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how do you see the market today. Uh, till then, keep learning and keep trading.